Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Toyota Supra in FR Legends. Full guide. First, open FR Legends and focus on career races to earn credits and fans. Next, monitor the parts shop and special offers for rare car drops and blueprints. Consider trading duplicate parts or using event tokens to unlock chassis sections. Stay patient and prioritize events that award premium crates and upgrade materials. Target events that specifically reward crates or blueprints for the Toyota Supra to increase your chances. Focus on daily and weekly missions that stack rewards and play during double reward periods when available. Use energy strategically to maximize event participation without burning resources. Coordinate with community calendars or in-game notices so you never miss high-value event windows for parts and chassis pieces. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I've been using. They save time between sessions and keep your snacks tidy while grinding events. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set if you want. Now let's get back to the video. When opening crates, prioritize guaranteed or featured options that list Supra components to improve yield. Watch for discounted bundles in the shop that contain blueprint fragments or chassis pieces you need. Avoid impulse spending on random boxes unless odds are clearly favorable. Keep a small reserve of premium currency for clutch opportunities when a Supra appears as a featured reward or when a timed sale reduces fragment costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.